Well, could be a little sweeter. I forgot it was sugar-free. Oh, that's why. Hi everybody, it's Jamie and welcome back to my channel, Reviews by Jamie. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Goddess Provisions. I've never received this box before. I'm so excited about it. I actually saw somebody do an unboxing of this. I hadn't heard of it, but they gave all kinds of cool things like crystals and just different things. So I was really excited about that because sometimes it's fun to just get more unique things other than just like what you typically find in boxes. And by the way, I got some like ombre extensions going on right now just to kind of go with my balayaged hair, but I don't know, they're kind of hard to wear because they get really light. So look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna go ahead. I have no idea what this is, but it looks so cool. Isn't that so cool? This is why I really wanted to get this box, because you don't typically find stuff like this in like other boxes that I've been subscribed to. So it says a portion of every notebook goes to building schools and to support the artist who designed the cover. So it's just a blank pages kind of a thing. I love it. I think it's so cool. Next up, there's a tiny little rock or something. I think I'll have to read about it because it might have like certain cool properties to it. I'll read about that maybe later. There's a lot in here. So this is Focus. Addictive Wellness Raw Chocolate. Sounds good to me. Purely superfoods and super herbs. It's vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free. 5% of net profits donated to environmental organizations working to save the only known planet with chocolate. Definitely gonna try this right now. Oh, cute. Look, isn't that cute? Smells really good. If a box is gonna give me food, then I'm gonna be happy about it. Oh, wow. That is really cool. Well, could be a little sweeter, but it's really different. I like it. It's kind of bitter now, but it's really different. It's like the kind of chocolate that's good for you, I think. I don't know. I forgot it was sugar-free. Oh, that's why I'm like, it needs more sugar. What is this? Oh, so cool. This is tea. Look at it. Isn't it fun? This is Vision. Stimulating guayusa hums with citrusy lemon verbena and a ginger kick. Medium caffeine. It's organic. I don't know what kind of tea this is, but it's cool. It's Numi organic tea, embracing holistic well-being. So it talks about vision, but not just seeing, but really like your mindful alertness and improving perception can increase our ability to learn, make connections, and be creative. Blah, blah, blah. And it gives a little practice. So vision practice, 10 minutes daily. Find a quiet space and time to sit in ease, relax your body, gently close your eyes, and slow your breathing. And it gives a whole thing, but that's so cool. It provides clean drinking water to our farming communities around the world. So all of these have some great causes. I should get our cell phone case company into there, because my company, which I'll link below, Because of a Case, we donate a portion to all kinds of different charities. So this is the Hippie Homesteader Essential Oil Serum, Motivate. So I love essential oils. This is made with coconut oil, avocado oil, Motivate Essential Oil Blend, which is lime, rosemary, pine needle, and peppermint. I definitely need this. Smells so good. So I feel like I could apply it here and maybe on the back of my neck. And hopefully it'll give me some motivation. Okay, next. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I so needed this today. I was using a concealer, so it's concentrated correcting creams, and it's by Pacifica, and I was using a concealer today. It was so dry, and I was thinking, wow, I like the packaging. It's so cute, isn't it? And then, so here are the little creams. This one I'll probably use the most. Oh, cool. I love this. So it says, raise your vibration with love and gratitude. And it's so pretty, the colors. Isn't that so nice? I love that. And I've been trying to do more, well, what happened? I've been trying to do more with like gratitude and stuff and giving gratitude and it's not just about, because I was talking to someone about it, and it wasn't just about, you know, that I'm living in a house and that, this and that, but even small things, which I think is so important. And one day I was like so thankful for the refrigerator, and I was telling Sean, I was like, I'm just so thankful for the refrigerator. Like, it really is amazing. Like, I never just sat down and thought about it. And having a refrigerator, just, you know, it's great. And I had this like cold drink, and I was so, I don't know, I never really thought about it. So I just think giving gratitude for like, you know, things that you don't think about that much, which is really cool. But this is a fun thing. You could put anything in here just as a reminder, but I love that. Okay, and then this is a card. It says start your new year with 30 classes in 30 days. So this is yogainternational.com, so you can kind of practice some yoga. I'm definitely going to look into that. Here is the card talking about everything in here. I want to know more about that rock. Oh, here, Dalmatian jasper. So this grounding stone can help you get out of your head and into your body. Meditate with this crystal to help you see the big picture so you can plan your next moves with care and a sense of playfulness. That is so cool. This is all about creative vision, and which is so perfect for me. There's so many different creative things I want to do. I feel like a lot of people can relate to, because, you know, there's things that you want to do and you have some visions for things, but you know, maybe don't have the time or motivation or whatever. So this whole box is about that, and I really like that. In the notebook, I can write down ideas for things. I've always wanted to be like a writer and writing more, and I really don't write that much, so maybe I can use the notebook for that. And then also just with art, I wanted to start painting again, and I took, you know, a bunch of watercolor classes before, and I don't know, it was really fun, and I've been kind of interested in doing that again. So that was it. I hope you liked this unboxing. It was so different, and I really like boxes like this. I'm definitely not somebody who is all into this type of like living. I do have to say I have something in me that's drawn to it, and I like the idea of like, you know, a crystal and stuff, and, you know, just kind of playing around with it and see if it really helps me. And I just like the idea of a more like natural lifestyle and different things and giving gratitude, and then like the natural tea and the more natural makeup. I like that stuff. So and then I'll go use like Urban Decay or MAC or whatever too. I just like everything. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on Instagram, JamieCheryl_, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!